Hi, I'm Christopher Kasich, Culinary Manager and Special Markets Manager for Cadco Ltd. Today I'd like to talk to you about the progression of the food service operation and how Cadco can help expand and improve the quality of your presentation. A few examples of these are full service restaurants going into food trucks, food carts and kiosks, and doing on-site catering. This encompasses the industry trend of bringing the preparation of food closer to the consumer or taking it to the actual event. Some of the essential functions of a mobile kitchen are baking and roasting, grilling and sauteing, and have an additional heat source for other pans and vessels. Transportation is a big key. We not only want lighter physical weight equipment, but we also don't want to have big bulky equipment when transporting from event to event. The next thing is space. Space is critical. You're moving into places that do not have the food service operator in mind. So what we want to do is have equipment that will provide a compact but yet useful and essential kitchen. The next is electrical. We want to deal with 120 volts. Most of our Cadco equipment is 120 volts and draws no more than 15 amps. This is essential for doing off-site catering when you might be going into a home, office, or a different facility where you don't know exactly what the electrical standards are. Now I'd like to introduce some Cadco products that have the functions that I spoke about earlier. The first is our hot plates. These are great for additional burner space or can be used in a pasta station, omelet station, or just for general purpose. The next is the griddle. Griddle is great for griddling and also sauteing. And finally, the oven. The oven's great for baking, roasting, and finishing. When we start getting into the transport of these items, our oven, for example, weighs under 60 pounds and can conveniently fit into our carry bag. Our hot plate and griddle weigh under 25 pounds. Now, as you can see, with all three of these pieces lined up, they take up no more than 5 feet worth of space and are all powered by a standard NEMA 515 120 volt plug. Now here we are at a mobile cooking event. Let's look at a simple, effective setup. First we have our oven for finishing, baking, and roasting. We have a simple prep area consisting of cutting board and all your prep utensils. Then we have our griddle, which we have hamburgers, sauteed onions, and again, any other items that you might need to grill. We have our extra burner with our additional utility pans for sauteing, for also boiling if you're doing a pasta station, or you could do an omelet station. And then we have our service area. And then finally, what we've done is included one of our buffet servers. This buffet server is great because you can lift up, replenish from the back, and then serve from the front. Now you can see our mobile setup in operation. What we have here is service, and as we need, we can replenish off of our oven into our buffet warmer. If you have any questions about mobile cooking or Cadco products, you can contact me via email, chris@cadco-ltd.com, or you can call our toll-free number.